Tripathi. I am okay. So I am Roli Tripathi. I myself is international groomer and pageant coach, and I'm Mrs. India 2016. And I'm running the company with the name of the Indie Royal. So our vision is to create a women warriors worldwide. And Indie Royal is a pageants company who organize the events all over India as well as internationally. So till now we had done around 7 events all over India and internationally with regards to promoting or creating awareness regarding the women as a warrior. Okay. So hello.
Yeah. Continue.
Yes. So our vision is to create a women warriors worldwide. That's a just we think every woman is a warrior because they all are working and doing something and becoming better day by day, and they are proving themselves. They are finding it and coming out from the comfortable zone. And for a woman or it's very difficult to do anything. They have to take care. They are playing a lot of roles. They are being in the family, being mother, daughter-in-law, sister, and wife. So they are playing a lot of roles. So I would this is just a platform where they can be themselves. So they don't have to play a role of anyone. They don't have to play a role of any mother, daughter, sister-in-law, or anything. She can be herself in this platform. So that's the reason why we have created this platform, to be the way you are, to be the way you enjoy, to celebration of womanhood, not the celebration of being women, celebration of the way you are. We are not expecting you to become the perfect role model. We want you to become a role model for others. You cannot copy from others. Everyone is having a unique qualities in their own selves. So we want to give them a platform, so at least they can voice their own issues. They might be having a different issues in their own life. So that's the reason why we have created this platform.
Awesome.
Wonderful. Yes. Hemaji, you can shoot some questions to your own Delhi.
Yeah. आपका दिल्ली में कहाँ पे है आपका कितने प्लेटफॉर्म?
We are in Delhi.
Okay.
And we operate from the Delhi, but we do an event all over India as well as in the world.
तो event में
we had a plan to do an event in the Singapore Royal Caribbean Cruise, but it couldn't happen due to the COVID.
Okay.
In 2022, we had a plan to do in Kolkata. We have already, getting a lot of nomination from the women. And the Pattaya, Phuket, we will be having in 2022 in the May. And then again, we will do it a national pageant in the India, like Delhi. Then again, the next year we will plan. We have a planning to do in the Moscow as well, but that's in
तो आप कितने ट्रेनिंग देते हैं यंग जनरेशंस को पैजेंट का क्या देते हैं?
देखिए, हमारा काम है एक प्लेटफॉर्म देना, एक प्लेटफॉर्म देना जो कि औरतें बहुत कुछ फील करती हैं अपने बारे में। तो वो उस हम उनसे ये नहीं कहते कि आपको कुछ बनना है, हम उनसे कहते हैं आपको वही रहना है जो आप हो। हम यहाँ कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं हम आपसे, हम आपको आपके लिए ही I cannot become a one night Sushmita Sen or anything else, like, right? I cannot expect you to walk like a model. I want you to be the way you are. You have to create. It might be, I myself is Roli. So अगर मैं सबको copy करती होती तो I wouldn't have been in this position to create a platform for a lot of women, right?
You're
So
right.
I want to, whatever you are, whether you are Sunita, you are doing Sharon, whatever they are. So we want Sharon to come out. We want Sharon to voice their issue. We want Sharon to become the way Sharon want to teach or voice their own issues. तो इस तरीके से हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म चलता आ रहा है और बहुत सारे लोग एसोसिएट हुए हैं हमारे साथ। अराउंड 400 से 500 लड़कियां अभी तक आ चुकी हैं हमारे साथ इन ग्रूमिंग एंड इंटरनेशनल। बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स बहुत आगे बढ़ रही हैं और बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनको देख के कि उनको निकल के आते हैं। अभी डॉक्टर साहब ने भी उनको बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, सो दे वर ऑल कमिंग to part of Dr. Hari's event. So that's really happy. I've seen all queens were, behind you and they were just walking next to you you, and it was really
Excellent.
on that you have given our Indian royal queen.
तो कई बार क्या होता है, वुमेन में टैलेंट तो बहुत होता है, वो चैलेंजिंग तो बहुत होती है, बट स्टिल फिर भी वो अपने टैलेंट को पहचान नहीं पाती कि मेरे अंदर एक्चुअल में क्या है। रूटीन फॉलो कर, बच्चे हो गए, घर हो गए, फैमिली हो गई, तो उस टैलेंट को पहचानने के लिए पर्पस, उसके अंदर बहुत सारा टैलेंट, स्पीकिंग टैलेंट होता है, डांसिंग टैलेंट होता है, उसको आप कहते हैं ढूंढते हैं, फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि इसके अंदर क्या है, या उसको ग्रूम करते हैं, किस टाइप का उसको मतलब ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। मेरे को थोड़ा सा इस बारे में
ट्रेनिंग
जानना
क्या होती, जैसे धूल पड़ी होती है ना किताबों में, है ना, आपके पास किताब रखी है बुक शेल्फ में और आपने पढ़ा नहीं है बहुत दिनों से, तो उसमें धूल लग जाती है, पर वो किताब है तो आपके पास ना, तो वो किताब है एक गर्ल, एक वुमेन, एक औरत है, उस किताब को हम लाते हैं, उनकी क्वालिटी है उसके, इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक दैट यू कैन से, हम उनसे बात काउंसलिंग करते हैं कि आई एम हियर टू होल्ड योर हैंड, क्योंकि सब पहली बार उनको बहुत डर लग रहा होता है, फैमिली का सपोर्ट, उनको लगता है पता नहीं कैसी जगह हम जा रहे हैं, क्या प्लेटफॉर्म होगा, क्या होगा, लड़कियां कैसी आएंगी, कोई कंपटीशन। पहली चीज तो हम ये सिखाते हैं, आप यहाँ जीतने या हारने नहीं आ रहे हो, आप यहाँ जीतने आ रहे हो या कुछ सीखने आ रहे हो, यहाँ पे कोई जीतना या हारना कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे कोनो राजी हो, everyone is going to nobody has right to judge anyone, to be very frank। हम उनसे कहते हैं कि आप ये सोचो कि हमारे पास कोई राइट है या किसी और के पास राइट है आपको जज करने का, वो कुछ भी नहीं। आप जो आप वैसे आओ, हम आपको एक थोड़ा पॉलिश करते हैं कि आपको ऐसे वॉक करना है, आपको आपका जो दिखाइए, इतने सारे लोगों में आप दिखाइए, उस टैलेंट का बेस है, और आपको चलना उठना, कोऑर्डिनेशन, हम ये दिखाते हैं कि ह्यूमैनिटी मतलब कंपटीशन नहीं होना चाहिए कि वी आर टू कॉम्पीट, वी हैव टू हैंड होल्ड ऑफ ईच अदर, इट्स नथिंग लाइक कि हम तुमसे ज्यादा बेटर लगे, इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट। वी गिव देम अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एवरी वुमेन की if you are the winner when you help someone, when you are as कुछ आप एक दूसरे को हेल्प करके ही आगे बढ़ोगे। मैं आगे आज आई हूँ तो मैंने इतने लोगों को प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, अगर मैं भी यही सोचती जो मुझे मिली, जो मुझे सक्सेस मिली, मैं अपने तक रखूं, मैं नहीं दूं, तो मैं यहाँ तक नहीं पहुंच पाती। जो मुझे मिला मैं वही चाहती हूँ वो सबको मिले। जब मेरा न्यूज में नाम आता था, जब मुझे लोग जी न्यूज में बुलाते थे, जब मुझे बहुत सारे मीडिया लोग कॉल करते थे, जब मेरे काम को लोग अप्रिशिएट करते थे, तो मुझे पता था ना, बीइंग अ होम मेकर फॉर 4 to 5 years, बिफोर दैट आई वाज अ होटेलियर, I used to work as a sales and market. I did my MBA. Then after that, I was working in a 5-star hotel as a sales and marketing personnel for 10 years. But I have to leave my job because of my kids. I have 2 kids. तो उसके बाद जो आपका लाइफ में एक ब्रेक आता है, वो शायद आपको चाहिए होता है, क्योंकि रिकॉग्निशन और एक्नॉलेजमेंट की बहुत कमी है हमारे इंडिया में, कि औरतों के एफर्ट को कोई, उसके टाइम की कोई वैल्यू नहीं करता है। वो घर पे टाइम देती है, पैसा कमाना इज काइंड गोइंग लाइक हु इज अर्निंग द मनी, दैट्स द लीडर ऑफ द, दैट्स द बॉस ऑफ द हाउस, बट नोबडी इज इवन कंसर्न अबाउट द गर्ल और द लेडी हु इज पुटिंग देयर हार्ड वर्क टू टेक केयर ऑफ द, टू रेज द नेशन। मतलब कल का जो बच्चा है वो हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, उसके लिए nobody is even bothered। कोई गलती होगी तो they'll keep on saying कि because of you it happened, you were at home, why didn't you even, so that's not with me, it happens with every second family। तो वो एक रिकॉग्निशन और एक आपको इसके थ्रू आपको एक अपनी एक आइडेंटिटी मिलती है। अगर आप ये सोचिए कि आज बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं, अगर वो काम नहीं करती जब तक उनको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आया होता कि अरे यार हमने इतने सारे लोगों के साथ खड़े होके हमने यहाँ पे खड़े हुए, एंड वी डिड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स। बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जो गई हैं दुबई से, जाने के बाद लोगों की लाइफ, हमने दुबई में शो किया था, लोगों की लाइफ चेंज हो गई, लोगों को रिकॉग्निशन एक्नॉलेजमेंट सब बहुत मिलता है कि आप घूमने जाते हो, you don't get anything out of it, it's just a pleasure, it's good to go out, but when you achieve something, दुनिया की नजरों में ये लगता है कि हाँ अपने को भी कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्टअप होता है, the people around you जब से कि हाँ yeah you did a great job, I'm really proud of you, it means they feel good।
Okay. तो आपका
तो
फॉर्मेट क्या है, कहते हैं ये जो आप कहते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म देते हो, वॉक होता है, उनका जो ग्रूमिंग है, जो स्टाइल है, या उनका टॉक है, या किसी चीज पे, वो टॉपिक पे वो बात कर रही है, या अपना ब्रेक थ्रू जर्नी बता रही है? What is the topic?
देखिए
What is
इसमें जो होता है हमारे सेशंस में शुरुआत हम लोग जो करते हैं, पहली बात तो फोटोशूट से करते हैं,
okay.
ताकि वी टेल देम, पहली बात तो हम ऐसे नहीं है कि सीधे ऑफलाइन आके उनके सेशंस हुए, एज सून एज दे एंटर टू दिस इंडस्ट्री
Okay.
हम उनको ऑनलाइन सेशन से सबके साथ एक आइस ब्रेकिंग सेशन हो जाता है,
Okay.
एंड वी कीप meeting them like this, you know, you don't have to compete with anyone. So, or walk, how to walk, certain basic tips of the walking, because walk is just not a walk, you know, 80% of the when you enter to the room, तो 80% जो चीजें हैं वो आपकी पर्सनालिटी देख के लोग बता देते हैं कि this is what is 80% is all about. So how to enter to the room, these are the grooming session that we take care, how to look confident in the body language, the everything, but a lot of sessions that we keep on giving them, and we keep on, it's a two-way session, you know, it's a mutual session, followed by एक हमारा offline sessions होते हैं. Offline में we call them and we make them practice how to walk, and actually there are a lot of things that we keep on doing. Offline portfolio shoots आते हैं उनके एक लड़की के बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर क्लिक होते हैं, और we always make them realize that you are a queen. You should be keep on saying to yourself you are a queen, no matter what word says to you, you have to be the way you are. You cannot kind of compare yourself, you just be the way you are. वो एक queen का moment होता है, they go for a portfolio shoot, they go for a proper, you know, different session of walking with our industry experts. फिर उसके बाद उनका जो है हमारी certified image consultant है, she also makes them learn about what judges is there to, you know, take out from you, कि judges आपसे क्या सुनना चाहते हैं. तो उनका एक session होता है, communication पे sessions होता है, कि what things you have to do, because pageant or modeling two totally different things होती हैं. We cannot consider कि भाई कोई girl है, she is being a part of the pageant, she has become model. Model एक sample होता है that you have to make them wear a cloth and she is going to represent in the stage. But the pageant is for the cause. Pageant में girl is always working towards the cause, right? हर बार का एक cause होता है. कभी cause हुआ हमने रखा कि creating women warriors, जो भी है एक mental health को लेके cause रखा, कभी कुछ cause रखा. तो इसमें जो आपका नाम होता है, that is, you will be called by your name. You cannot be a sample or the model for someone. You can be the way, you can be this, like if Sharon is a winner is Mrs. India classic category. She cannot be judged on the basis of the body or physicality. She can be judged about the mental communication, you know, beauty with the brain, or how confidently she is putting across their own thought process, how confident she is. So this is how we kind of, you know, work on the mental. It's not on the looks basis, to be very frank. It's all about how you are representing yourself on the stage in terms of the, not कोई language barrier नहीं है कि if you cannot speak English, you cannot speak Hindi, so you cannot be a part of it. Being an Indian, we respect every language, every local language, and we want them to represent the local language also, but be confident. आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस, खुद के एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो, खुद की लाइफ जर्नी शेयर करो. आपको खुद का, आपका नाम ये खुद का है ना, you cannot borrow from someone else. I'm living my own life. If I'm Rolly, so this is my Rolly's journey. Na? So Rolly's has to have their own personal experience. So that's what we want to Queens, to develop that mental communication to the judges and to the
Wonderful,
audience.
wonderful. Sudha Jain is also with us. She is a 2017 Mrs. Asia Pacific. Welcome, Sudha. Sudha
Hi
Jain.
sir, how are you?
Excellent, excellent.
Yes sir.
And here is our Rolly, and Hema Tareja, and Nusrat Fariz is also there. He is a surgical oncology HOD from the
Hello.
OIC hospital.
Hello,
So,
ma'am.
hi and welcome to everyone. Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hema. It's a
Oh,
very, you are raising wonderful questions. Hema Tareja ji.
thank you.
Huh? Very nice
Really,
questions.
really doing very well job, and
Huh.
definitely we will keep in touch in further.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are Delhi mate. So
Yeah.
we'll do workshops and many things.
Yeah.
There and there with the help of the Roli.
Yes.
Just with one word, she actually made our program wonderful with the involvement of all the beauty pageants walking for the cause, breast cancer awareness,
Oh,
elders mental health awareness, and vegetarianism, ahimsa non-violence on October 2nd.
बहुत अच्छा, that was really a great
Awesome.
show, yeah.
Very
And regarding Hema ji is a wellness specialist. She want to conduct the wellness, especially for the women
Yes.
all over the globe. Being the multimillionaire, she wants to do some work to uplift all the women.
Yes.
Wow.
So it is the time where all women are involved and they're all working for the society. See, women has wonderful energy. They are not only beautiful, but they are all mainly energy. Man has to see that energy too, apart from looking at the beauty. When we look into the energy of the woman, then what happens? We can, the society can be reformed instantaneously. That's why it is said, Yatra Nari Pujyante, Tatra Devata Ramante. That means where women are respected, that the nations will flourish, that
Yes.
family will flourish. So what I personally feel is, you being the female, see, it is not the Krishna who killed the Narakasura. Diwali is coming. It is the Satyabhama. So claps to all Satyabhamas, Rukminis here. Women. So when
Very
women teaches, when women empowers, definitely society will reform. That's how I feel it. What do you say, Sudha? Sudha Jain.
Yes, sir, that's true. Actually, being a national show coach, when I noticed that ki woman is herself is like so much of power, no need of any kind of a lighting, but everyone need a mentor in their life, like blissful session which I attend with Dr. Hari is like it's not like that ki I'm not understanding the things before, but after continuing that blissful sessions with Dr. Hari, I just realized that ki, yes, there is something which you can share with the people and you can empower other also. It's not
True.
like that you just be within yourself that all kind of a quality. When I is that my patient on Asia Book of Record, that time I realized that ki, okay, it's not just a record. It's something which you can share with people and like-minded people when together, like today how we are here with Roham and other things, and Dr. Syed is also there, and these kind of like-minded people, if together is there, miracle will happens. And Dr. Hari, I noticed one thing about blissful session. बहुत बार मैंने
Yes.
notice किया है कि you know what you want to be, right? And you know how you want to be, but you
Very
never
nice.
that what kind of a people you have to choose accordingly. So that blissful sessions help a lot during
Very
this
nice.
kind of thing. And regarding Sudama, you said that
Yeah.
yes, you are always be a Krishna for a woman. Not I'm telling about that Krishna is like a saving a woman. It's like a woman is already a powerful. That
Yes.
you also always say these things.
Yes.
So you always say one more thing, that entertainment your life along with your work.
Correct.
So this is actually empowerment. You should enjoy your life.
Very, very nice.
Okay.
Sudhaji, tomorrow we have a Pragati Sudhama, wherein we are conducting anti-aging sessions with all our models, with all our patients who worked, who involved in our Panjagutta Expo. Okay. I invite everyone to join. Yesterday with family, I really enjoyed it. I did a lot of sessions there. And tomorrow is also wonderful program. I invite to that event. Yes, Roliji, some more wisdom from you.
Uh,
She is a pediatrician's wife, doctor's wife. That's
Yeah,
why
my
I have
husband is
one more
a
plus point for the blissful doctors. Okay. Yes.
Yes. You tell me anything if you feel like, I've shared everything about my
Sure,
journey
sure.
and,
All of you keep
that's
your
it.
hands like this. All of you keep your hands like this. I count 1 to 5. When I say 5, you should clap, especially Roliji. This is for you. Okay. Right. 1, 2, 3.
No, fine.
Why you
Five
clapped
पे
for?
करना
Why
था.
you clapped for? 3. I said you had to clap for the 5. But
अच्छा,
people always follow what we do.
action.
What
What
we
we
do.
do.
It is
Correct.
not the words. So here all the people, the Sudhama and Hema Tereja, Asha ji and Roli ji, all are action oriented people. So whatever we do, people will follow because we have a lot of degrees and we achieved many things. Life is not just like the beast. We are all beautiful as well as beautiful by soul wise. So all our action speaks. Okay, right. Next thing is all of you keep your 2 fingers like this. Yes. Do like this in front direction. This one in backward direction. Do simultaneously. Do simultaneously. Why, Hemaji, both are not happening
I
in
know.
different directions? Why? So women, if they
Why?
practice, they can do it because they're all right brain activity, enriched people. So we cannot do 2 things simultaneously, but
Yeah.
woman can do. That's why the creation and all the energy is given to the woman. If by practice we can get it. And this exercise tells that mind cannot do 2 things simultaneously. Mind cannot do things simultaneously. So if you want to do 2 things simultaneously or multitasking, you have to have control on your mind. Where is the location of the mind? Because today the topic is not only the art of modeling,
Yeah,
but also
yes.
mega living. With mind mastery, mega living comes. Where is mind situated, Hemaji? You say in the brain.
Down,
In
yeah.
the brain.
No, brain. Okay, Asha
Down.
also says that it is the brain.
Brain.
See, I operated in the
Crown
brain.
chakra.
I operated on the brain.
Hey, घुटने में
Crown chakra, navel.
Nadeem
Center
is
point.
telling that it is there in the knee. That means he is telling his brain location. Some people have brain in the skull. Some people have in the elbow. Some people have in the knee too. As a surgeon, I operated. It is not there. Where it is? Because if you want to have control on the life, you have to have control on the mind. Where is it located, Roliji?
It's in the heart.
Heart. Do you frequently watch
Yes.
love movies? Maine Pyar Kiya, Dil De Diya.
Yeah.
Huh? That's why you are saying it is in the heart. But I operated on the heart and I also assisted. It is not there.
हार्ट से तो होता है बट हर चीज आपके ब्रेन से चलती है हार्ट कुछ भी नहीं है ठीक है
Actually, your thoughts are your
Thought,
brain.
सब कुछ आपका ब्रेन ऑपरेट करता है
Yes.
वही सिग्नल देता है आपके हार्ट को कि आपको ऐसा करना है आप हार्ट निकालो उसमें कुछ है कुछ भी नहीं है जस्ट बट जो ब्रेन है वो इतना पावरफुल है वो आपको फीलिंग्स देता है थॉट्स देता है वो जाके ऑपरेट होती है कंट्रोल करता है इवन हमारे मैं आज ऐसे ये सब चीजें कर रही हूँ मेरा ब्रेन मेरे को सिग्नल दे रहा है तभी मेरे ये चल रहा है अदरवाइज कुछ भी नहीं है
Yes.
हमेशा यहाँ से चलता है पूरी दुनिया
Yes. You rightly said, wonderfully said. But I want to show where exactly your mind. Do you want to know?
Yes.
Because mind daily produces more than 56,000 thoughts. What is required is only 5 to 10 thoughts. How is my husband? How are my kids? How much I can get today? How much I should earn? So all only not more than 5 to 10 thoughts. Okay. Catch hold of your nose. Catch hold of your nose. Just to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Mind produces many thoughts. When you hold the breath, don't breathe. Today I want to show you the location of the mind. Mind mastery is life mastery. Just to hold it. I count 1 to 5. 1. Be like that. 2. Today you are going to know the location of the mind. 3. Yes, don't breathe. 4. Okay, remove. Otherwise, it will come in the newspaper. Dr. Hari, instead of giving life, he has taken the life. Okay, breath and mind are interlinked. So whatever you do, the breathing, so it will result in the life enrichment. Yes, Nadeem, share. I want to share the screen. Yes. So Sudhaji, being a model and a socialite, what exactly your passion and what is your life purpose? Because everywhere you go, even for the small occasions and mega occasions, you will be there. You are a totally transformed person. Like, see, whenever you have the passion or purpose, then only you can do all the things. What is your passion? And Roliji, you said about you and be ready for your mega passion, because she invited for Kolkata and she asked me to be ambassador for the, especially the medical ambassador and anti-aging ambassador, soulful smile spreading warrior. Okay, and she is conducting wonderful session in Pattaya in 2022 May. Okay, many things are happening. See, because we are all the creators. We are not just followers. We are all trendsetters. So,
Hari, you wanted to share anything? You want me to make you host?
yes. Just I'll show you some.
Yeah.
Yes.
I made you host.
Right. Just I'll share few slides. Yeah. Right. Is it coming?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This is. Can you see Asha ji?
Yes, I can
Yes.
see.
This is tomorrow. We are going to do a small short session. I want to give this gift to all the models and beauty pageants, because their skin wise, they're all very, very great. But I want soul wise also, they want to be very mega. That means they want to be, I always insist on inner beauty too. This earth meditation or oneness with this earth element during anti-aging sessions, they will give a lot of courage, lot of self-confidence, and also forgiveness. See, most of the times female have guilt and shame because they are brought up in such a way that they're all second citizens. No, only few people, 10% of the women, 10% of the female are given full freedom, but 90% of the people, they're all suppressed. So when you do this session with earth, wherein we are going to cover you with all the sand and make a breathing session, this will liberate you from all the suppressed emotions and all the things. And this is with the water. Water has wonderful flexibility. I'll take into the water, and with the help of the snorkel, you will breathe as if in mother womb. You will have very blissful experience. You will release all the things. After coming out of the session, you will say, so far you had all the guilty or suppressed emotions. Now you will say, yes, I got a wonderful husband, wonderful children, wonderful life. Everything is wonderful because you are newborn. Rebirthing happened. With this water session, it will give you the more flexibility. Whether you are in non suitable situations also, you will live in freedom. This is what happens with water. And second thing is, okay, it's going somewhere else.
Again, I would like to say it's not going in a show view. It is just your screen.
Something problem. Yes. Yes, Nadeem, what is the problem with this?
You have to click on that particular slide and then
Okay,
show it.
go back and click.
Asha is correct.
Okay, I'll do it. Yes. Is it coming?
Let's see.
Yes.
Yeah, now
Ah.
it's coming.
This is with the fire element. Very beautiful sessions we do with a campfire. Yes, if Sudhaji is there, I think she can make everyone dance.
Yeah.
See, dancing like Nataraja, it will clear
Nice.
all our emotions, suppressed and repressed emotions with the fire. What I am going to do during anti-aging session is, you are going to clear all your negative thoughts. When you are doing so, all positive thoughts will come. Yes, I am beautiful. I can do anything. I can look after not only family, but also look after the society. I am the strength for everyone. So I live longer. So my soul is beautiful. Such internal feelings and the positive things will emerge when you do such sessions. Yes, next. I'll
You have one session in Rishikesh.
yes, one more time, and finally I'll show one slide.
Mhm.
Yes, this is most important with the space element, wherein we'll be doing hammock with the hammock.
Okay.
So all the 5 elements we can cover in 2 to 2.5 hours. Tomorrow we are doing in Prakriti Resorts. We'll do all such sessions in a due course of time with the help of the Sudhaji, Nadeem, Hema Tereja, and Ashish, and now Hashim, and now Fariz and Roli Madam also join in the sessions. Okay. Thank you very much. I welcome all of you tomorrow for a very beautiful session. Now a very simple session I want to do. Just hold a teddy bear or a pillow.
Hug therapy. That is a hug therapy.
Yes. Okay. Right. See, recently we did the Dasara. What for? Celebrity Sudha. Tell me why people do Dasara for 10 days.
Actually, people used to think that that is Ravana Dahan, and there is a 10 faces. But do you believe that अगर हमारे बच्चे को अगर 10 सहर होते तो क्या हम सीधे डॉक्टर के पास जाते और बोलते भाई इसको सर्जरी करके एक बना दो? So actually that Ravana that we shows that 10 heads is like a 10 things, 5 for the male negativity and 5 for the female negativity. For me is to that cut off that 5 Ravana from a woman is Rag, Dvesh, Jalan, Nafrat and Irsha. Because a woman, if this 5 will be there, this is the biggest Ravana for a woman. So kill that. And for men, I think I must say that 5 for the 5 Ravana for the male is like Vasna, ego, and self-possessiveness, and crazy about their own sake of name. So that fine kind of a Ravana, if a man will kill, then that there is not, I think there is no word like woman empowerment, equality. This will be gonna be because, so Vijayadashmi or, Dashara for me is to kill 5 Ravana in a woman and 5 Ravana in a man. So that is the Dashara we are celebrating actually.
Very good, very good.
Very good, very good. Ravana enjoyed his life wonderfully. Only thing is, when he went to cinema halls, when he was flying, per head means the ticket goes 10. That is only the problem. He expressed all his problem when he went. The per head rule is there, no? Per head 5,000. But he had 10 heads. That means every time he has to pay 50,000 for any programs. That was only the problem for him. Otherwise, he enjoyed. Now, I want this memento. Definitely, I'll give when Roli comes to Hyderabad. Okay, Hemaji and Sudha, just a hand over mentally to Roli ji. Okay, claps to Roli ji, and yeah, this is also for the, because it is a virtual.
So this is
virtual
for
room.
you, Rolly. This is for you, Rolly, and
Yes,
please
yes,
accept
yes,
it.
yes. Okay. Now, as Sudha said, today I'll tell you very new version of Dasara. That means every person is having feminine energy. Female has more feminine energy. See, you have to cleanse your femininity. This 9 days. That means 9 Navarandhras. You have to cleanse during this process, because there is so much of energy. But everybody should know how to utilize that energy. If woman utilizes her energy, it will be very, very wonderful. Man is very waste fellow. Do you think that? Man has to always depend on either mother or with their on her girlfriend during teenage, or on her wife in the teenage. So man is very dependent fellow by his body nature and spiritual nature, soul nature. Woman is already has given. So during this 10 days, everyone, including man and woman, has to cleanse all these Navarandhras. And the 10th one is Dashamarandhra, which is called cosmic energy antenna. So if you cleanse during this 10 days of all your both external, internal, then you can perform and you can do action in very, very nice. So this is to first hold a pillow.
Dr. Hari, can you mute him? Or you send me the admin?
What?
There's a disturbance. Can you mute?
Now is okay? Okay.
No, you make me the host. I'll mute.
I had to make you host, huh? Nadeem, where are you, Nadeem?
Here.
You are not on the top list. Nadeem, yes, make host, huh? More.
Make host.
Just a minute. Okay. Right?
बिल्डिंग वाले रिकॉर्ड है क्या?
Is it okay?
Yeah. No. Yeah. No.
Right. Yes. Very good. Ashiji, Ashi, just you can shoot one to Roli as well as Sudha and Hemaji. Before I show how to embrace your femininity. Most of the ladies say, yes, sir, I want to become more beautiful. I want
So for that,
your skin
like
will be
first
glowing.
thing is self-love.
Self-love. Okay, right. Self-love, if you show, okay, you can love Amitabh Bachchan, you can love Susmita Sen, but how can we love ourselves?
By working on ourselves, our confidence, we can work how we can enjoy our life. Once we are happy, then only we can keep others happy.
Okay, wonderful answer. Yes. So this is our femininity. Hold it. Our femininity. So when a female does this, their glow on the skin will increase. Plastic smile will become pure smile. Income tax paying face will become inspiring face, like all of us. Okay, just to hold it. Hold where exactly you are holding the femininity. See, if money comes, we'll hold it. In the same way, hold your femininity. And with closed eyes, just go smile at your femininity. Just smile at your femininity. It has no form like God. It has no form like Devi Ma, but there is a wonderful energy is there within you. It will track you to the space where your femininity center is there. Men are fond of women. It's all because femininity has a lot of qualities. Love, unconditional love, forgiveness, surrenderance, forbearance, sharing. Just to hold it. Hold your femininity. You are not holding your money now. You are not holding your food now, but you are holding your own femininity. Just breathe into that. Slowly, gently breathe into your femininity, where there is abundance. After this show of 2 to 3 minutes, your glow will increase on your face. Your skin will become like childlike skin. Just to hold it. Women are not only great by their beauty, but more great by their femininity, which is abundant of, full of unconditional love, rejoicing, forgiving. Just breathe into that femininity. There is one center, you are holding it. During sleep, you will think that your husband is with you, even though there. The sort of security in a feeling, yes, I am holding my own femininity. I love myself. Breathe into that. Have a smile face. As you are breathing, the smile on your face is increasing. Just tightly hold, like a kid holding mother, holding your own self. What a wonderful thing when you are holding yourself. When you are pampering yourself, feel it. Last 1 minute. Just hold it. Breathe into that. The smile is increasing on the face, spreading all over the face, all over the body. See, it is reaching. your heart, which is the center of the love. Like blood pumping by the heart, your heart is pumping the love to all the areas of your life, reaching all the neglected parts of your life because of your busy life, your lack of energy, disinterest. That neglected parts of the life are receiving this beautiful love from your heart. Feel it as you're breathing. The smile's increasing. Heart is able to spread this love, soulful smiles to all the areas of the life. Feel it. Just to hold it. Gently breathe it. If at all you have any pain, it may be knee pain, backache, just breathe into. Spread the soulful smiles into that area. Last 1 minute. As you are doing so, the body is becoming very, very light. Your glow on face is increasing. The smiles are spreading all over the body into all the cells. You feel very, very secure by a beautiful aura around. Golden aura. You can feel all around, making you more empowered, more magnet of positivity. You are spreading this radiance of love to your family. See, all are smiling with enthusiasm, love, peace, joy. Spreading into your workplace, into your brand. All are smiling at you with a love, joy. As you sow, so they are. What you think is what you are. You are spreading this love into the whole of the city. Whenever you are holding a pillow tight, you are once again getting that strength of love, peace, joy into you. Spreading into the city where you are. The breath is very, very gentle. Very, very normal. Spreading this love into the city where you are, state you belong, and to the whole India is smiling because of you. Soulful spreading of smiles from you. The positivity, love you are radiating to the whole globe. Now you are expanding to all the nations of the globe, expanding beyond towards the sky and touching the planets, stars, whole cosmos. You have expanded now. Feel that expansion. Expansion is life. Education is enriching your own self. Divinity is sharing. Expansion. Feel it. All your divinity, magnanimity, grandeur, awesomeness. Feel it. Be in that state of bliss, joy, peace. As you are holding the pillow, smiling at yourself, you are bringing all that expansion through the top of your head. Dashama Randhra, Vijayadashmi consciousness is flowing into you from the top of your head, filling your third eye region, forehead. Third eye is glowing, flowing into your communication center. As Roliji said, it's glowing in the throat chakra. Wonderful communication you have. Whatever you speak, it will become mantra, positive, proactive, channeling, and flowing into the heart. Your heart is glowing with full of energy, positivity, power, peace, joy, patience, flowing down into Manipura chakra above navel, full of control, love-based emotions flowing into you, making you more blissful, flowing down below navel, second chakra. You know your femininity. See your femininity glowing, your Kundalini energy in the second chakra. Sacred chakra is glowing, radiating into whole body, every cell with wonderful energy. You are surrounded by wonderful aura. See what a wonderful colors you have in the aura. You are the magnet of love, magnet of joy, magnet of abundance, peace, power. With this, slowly, slowly, bring your hands into Namaskar position, the center of the heart. Express gratitude for whatever you have in your life. Beautiful body, wonderful family, mentors, good association, and slowly, slowly come out. Keep your palms over your eyes with smiley face. Slowly, slowly come to normal state. Claps to all of you. Claps. Asha, how was your feet?
It was good.
Yes, Sudhaji, describe.
Huh?
Yeah.
Feeling that today I done and come here. Really feeling a good morning.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Feeling really not putting your thought for yourself is the most precious gift for yourself.
Yeah. This exercise will help us whenever we are alone, whenever we feel at the time of the death, that fear will go because of yourself. Those who don't have the fear of
I think the way we are working the business woman, so that you are alone. So I
Yes,
think
correct.
for me, holding the cover of a pillow and saying yourself that yes, love yourself. This is you. You already work from morning to evening for the people and for you makes you know अपने मन के लिए तुमने अपने लिए काम अभी कुछ ऐसा करो जो तुम्हारी सोच है. Hold yourself.
very
और my business must be your number one. हमारा मन बोलता है तो we are a servant of our मन. So it's not like that
excellent.
you are working for some jobs or you are working under someone, then only you are on job. You are on job when you are listening your man also. So sometime in a whole day, catch a pillow and hug that thing and say that, okay, for a 5 minutes, I'm not working for my man also. Like catching myself. That's the thing.
Yeah,
So
that's
that
why it
I
is
feel when that whole session is going on. So thank you so much for this session.
Yes, great. Roliji, how was your experience?
It's a really awesome experience. I felt like being me. I felt like I keep on doing meditation. I'm regularly doing meditation, So the same way I felt regenerated, and it helped me a lot to feel what I am. So I really enjoy being alone, being the way I am. So meditation or these kind of words help us to retain or contain our own self. So that's really nice. So it's really nice to have a very good
I
experience.
have very big pyramids of 2 feet on all sides. I can give to you because pyramid energy makes you more anti-aging. It keeps it makes mind very calm. Okay, so I have wonderful pyramid. I took for my clinic, 13 pyramids are there. So whoever very hard to me, I'm giving it, sharing it. So please have it. Okay. If you are Hyderabadians, you have it, because wherever the pyramid is there, it will radiate all the positivity. Our job is to construct. It is not for the burying of the dead bodies. It is bringing or regaining the divinity is possible. The so-called four sides and apex, 52 points, 52 degrees will definitely help. Okay. Those who want, those who are in this, of course, I give Nadeem.
Yeah, I want.
You want pyramid?
Yeah.
Everybody
Huh?
wants.
Yeah.
Okay. Only for Nadeem I'll charge. For the rest of the people, I'll give free.
That's
Sure.
not
Okay.
fair. That's not fair.
Because see, we are in a position to give wisdom. We are in a position to give gifts to the people because we already have so much. So we are in surplus. So we are on all giving side. Okay. Let us give like wisdom, like what Sudha shared, and Nusrat Faris, tell 2 points. Shoot one question to Roliji and Sudhaji and Hema Taraja. He is very nice friend to me, and listen to him in 2 minutes. Yes, sir. Faris. Okay. If Faris is not responding, Hemaji, describe your experience.
Very nice. मुझे लगा connect yourself
Can you hear me?
और totally connect yourself. And जो हमने बहुत सारी चीजें होल्ड की हुई थी जो अनवांटेड होती है, ग्रजेस, जेलसी, फियर, उसको छोड़कर आपको जो अच्छा लगता है उसको होल्ड कीजिए. लव योरसेल्फ, कनेक्ट योरसेल्फ. ये मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस हुआ डेफिनेटली. आप इनसाइड जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजें नजर आएंगी. आपको इंसिडेंट्स नजर आएंगे जिसमें आप बहुत दुखी थे, बहुत ज्यादा, तो उसको रिलीज करके होल्ड योरसेल्फ.
I agree.
Yes, very good.
Yeah,
Now, yes, Faris, for 1 minute. Shoot question.
yeah. Hi, Sudha. Hi, Jolie. It was nice. Hi. Well, you people are the models. You know, you should do some social service along with that so that you get lots of blessing. I had invited, with the help of Dr. Hari, my friend, Sudha. She had come to cancer hospital. Cancer hospital patients are very, they are in the terminal care. So I request all of you to do some program or the other. Anytime I'll invite you with the help of Dr. Hari, and stay blessed and stay happy. And
Very good.
always keep
Yes,
healthy.
sir, your yeah, wonderful.
Yeah.
The way you are,
Roliji,
like, appreciate.
what are the advantages with modeling? Because see, people they say that when you go out, you cannot handle everything harmoniously. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of modeling? We want to hear
First
the
of all,
advantages.
देखिए, advantages or disadvantages of anything that you love, that's entirely different thing, you know. If I am talking about my passion, मेरा passion चाहे कुछ भी हो, it might be walking on the ramp, it might be teaching something good to someone, it might be making someone happy, it might be going to old age home, it might be doing some social work. That's my passion. Advantage कोई नहीं देखता है जब आप अपनी पैशनेट चीजें कर रहे होते हो. You feel like being you when you do something for yourself. You don't even see that how much money you are getting in return. You just enjoy the way you are. So it's like कोई भी profession है, अगर आप passionate हैं और if you want to do something, तो आप advantage और थोड़ा बहुत disadvantage भी होगा, तो you enjoy that disadvantage also because you want, because that's a passion there inbuilt to you. So you enjoy that particular thing. तो मुझे लगता है कि it's like whatever you do with a heart that makes you happy, whether whatever you are doing, you should be passionate about anything what you do. So that's my only thing.
Yes, Sudhaji,
Very
what's
good.
your
Very
you
nice.
do very passionately everything. How you want to be in the next 2 or 5 years?
How
Because
you would be?
whatever you speak now, it is going to manifest. This is such a wonderful platform with all the energy. So you express your goals and wishes, it is going to manifest. Okay. We are not very simple beings. That's why I'm tickling your passion and also your goal and how you want to be in next 2 to 5 years. If you say it will happen
Oh,
in this platform. Yes, please.
I know the positive aura you carry that spreads so much of strength that it definitely happen. I
Yes.
believe in it, to
Yes,
be
yes.
frank. And yes, another 5 years, I won't believe in planning of, that if 5 years, what happened. When I started a hashtag in a South, that first hashtag, that time also, I believe in this only that I have to come with the second hashtag and I have to create an opportunity for my first hashtag. So that when I'm carrying my second hashtag, somebody should carry my first hashtag with their own name, but that hashtag should be Zinda Rehna Chahiye. So when my 9 hashtags are booming on Google, so my 8 hashtags are working with other people, right? So names are changed, but the hashtags are still working. So another 5 years, I want when people will say that Sudha's hub is not Sudha Jair, is a Sudha hub. The mixture of a place where you can find so many things with the different names, the different faces, but the establishment of that Sudha hashtag should be goes on. I won't believe in this that that today today चढ़ते सूरज को सब सलाम करते हैं. So today I'm on hoardings. Today I'm on every face. Today I'm on every page. I'm lucky. I done my work. I done hard work also, but smart work also. And what is the difference between the hard work and smart work? What I believe in another 5 years is that I done hard work to learn how to do smart work in future. That is my goal,
Yes.
actually. And I don't
all
want
of you, all of your hands
that,
like this. All of your hands like this. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Speak. Whatever the Sudhaji is saying, it will happen. So be it. Say, so be it. So be it. So
thank
be
you,
it.
thank you so
So
much,
be it.
Asha ji. Thank you so much, Roni. Thank you so much, everyone. Nadine, thank you so much. So,
Very good.
I think I believe in this that there must be a people you create employment in such a way that your creation must be carried by somebody. हम बोलते हैं ना आज मैं शूट पे नहीं जा सकती हूँ because I'm already booked with some venture. There must be a people you create that project goes to those people. So that impact you must create in a market that कि तुम्हारा काम कहीं नहीं जाना चाहिए, तुम्हारा काम तुम्हारे ही लोगों के पास आ जाना चाहिए, बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए.
Wonderful.
So that is a goal, actually, to be frank. And yes,
Hema.
yes, I believe that no, yeah.
Yes, in another 2 years,
Me?
how you want to be, where you want to be, what you want to be, so that we can all create with all the energy, we can bless it. Yes, Hema ji.
Another 2 years.
See, God is not, God flows through us whenever we do such things. Yes, ma, Hema.
Another 2 years, मैं लोगों के दिलों में राज करना चाहती हूँ. मैं करती हूँ जो लोगों को मैं डिलीवर करूँ, ऑनेस्टी से करूँ, जो मैंने सीखा है अभी 10 साल से. एक प्लेटफॉर्म में जाना चाहती हूँ, लोगों की हेल्प करना चाहती हूँ. बहुत टाइम तक हमने अपने बारे में सोचा, फैमिली के बारे में सोचा. अब ये टाइम है हम सोसाइटी के बारे में सोचने का. तो मुझे लगता है कि another 2 years मेरे लिए ब्लास्ट होंगे और मैं फेमस होंगी और ऑनेस्टी से दे पाऊंगी.
Yeah, so be it. So be it. Just to push the screen actually.
Amen.
So be it.
Amen.
So be it. Murali ji, one word.
Yeah.
Your passion. Because passion brings the more life. Passion makes you more anti-aging. Okay? Just express your passion. In 2 years.
I believe in doing things, I want to design with the Hollywood stars. So that's what I see myself after 2 years down the line, designing a show of Granny's Award and working with Hollywood, celebrities and, designing.
Yes, so be it. So be it. So be it.
Amen.
Amen. Very good. Wonderful. Now, I want to show very simple technique.
I just wanted to
Yes.
share
Yeah.
Nadeem, yes.
Yeah. So I want to live my life the fullest in every
Ah.
area of my life, so that I enjoy every moment of my life with all the
Oh, so
inspiration
be
from
it,
all the
so
people.
be it.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Amin.
Amen.
Thank
Shall
Amin.
I tell my passion? Shall I
Yeah.
tell my
Yeah,
passion?
yeah,
Okay.
sure,
I
sure.
want to be with passionate people. I want to
Amin.
You're
celebrate
already there.
with passionate
You are
Amin,
people.
already
amin,
there.
amin.
Shall
My
I?
life purpose is making other people to realize their life purposes.
And you are doing already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Amin.
Okay. Class.
Yeah, yeah,
Dr.
yeah.
Vasudha is
Yeah,
there.
very much.
A
Not
very
on
active
Zoom or-
lady of Hyderabad. Yes, ma'am.
Vasudha, can you
Nirma,
on your
light is gone.
Yeah,
At your place?
Yeah, yeah, I'm
not
answering,
why
I'm answering.
his son is sleeping time.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
I'm
Okay, Vasudha ji.
yeah.
Vasudha?
After this, I'll share one shamanic breath work,
Yeah.
wherein you can turn the negativity into positivity in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. You can release all the things. If you want, you can also release all your nonsense and you can bring the best. Just a 2 minutes session. I'll do. Yes, Vasudha.
Yeah. First thing is the way, hugging a pillow and all those things. What I feel is we are our own best friends. It's we who can
True.
be our own friends. Unless and until we accept ourselves as our own best friends, nobody will accept us as a good friend. That's what I feel. It should be, first we should think about ourselves, me, then it's not about, I'm not talking about in the sense of selfishness and all those things, but first we should look good. We should be happy with our own selves. We should be a very good friend for ourselves. Then we'll be the happiest souls. That's what I believe. And the second thing is how I should be remembered or what I'm going to be in another 2 or 3 years. My goal is not that short goal. Mine is a long-term goal. My thing is people should remember me. My first and last ultimate goal is I
Very good.
should be remembered forever. I should be in my students' hearts. That's it. Students
Very
should
good. Very
remember
good.
me.
Wonderful.
That's it.
Wonderful.
Amin.
Wonderful.
Thank
Amen.
you so much. Thank
Roli
you so
ji?
much.
Are you there, Roli?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
No, actually, you have given me very short time. In a minute, they have sent me a link and asked me to just join.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
the
Thank
way
you.
This is your
I
greatness.
cannot come online.
Yes, yes. Very good.
Thank you,
very good.
Vasudha, for accepting
Vasudha?
my invitation.
And Roli,
Yeah,
anything,
thank you.
anything from your side, you speak. Because she is the today's speaker. Yes. Few words. Then I'll do my session.
I want to conclude.
Even I have to speak after that.
Yes, definitely. I
Yes.
would like to thanks everyone. I would like to congratulate everyone, and the way they are coming out and they are expressing themselves. I'm really happy, and I'm really happy to Dr. Hari to have me over here. At last, I would like to conclude with this: whatever we are, whatever wishes we have, whatever things that we do, but we should not stop living the present. Every day is special, every moment is unique, so we have to be the best, and we have to be keep on working on our mental health. We should not, that's what I believe. That's my thinking towards the betterment. Once you will start putting yourself in that mode ki you are always happy, then definitely you are going to spread happiness all around. So, and passion apne aap apne body mein aa jata when you are in a normal mode. You can start working towards your own passion. That's the secondary. First, you have to take care of yourself, and that's what I think Dr. Hari taught us very, confidently or very, very passionately. That's the best thing that we can do to ourselves. At least we can love to ourselves. That's the only thing I want to conclude with. Thank you, Dr. Hari, for being with us.
Claps to Indie model, Mrs. and Miss India,
Thank you.
in national and international.
Yes, Indie
All
Royal
the
Miss and
activities,
Mrs.
Indie Royal, Indie Royal.
Indie
And,
Royal Miss and Mrs. India.
It's my honor. I'm inviting for tomorrow's program all the Hyderabadi beauty pageants to have my anti-aging sessions in a wonderful resort. Okay, you can say word to all your models. Now it's a time just to keep your hands like this. Just to keep your hands. Okay, right. Now what you are going to do is, to the left, you are moving your head. You are moving your head, and then to the right. Do for 2 times. After that, left and right. Very good. Do it. It's a beautiful technique designed by shamans. Do it for 2 times. Now, coming to the center. Now, what you have to do is do expiration. That means leave your breath to the left and bring inhalation to the right. After coming to the right, now again exhale. Release your breaths. Come towards the left side. While coming to the right, breathe in. Do for 30 seconds. Breathe out to the left, breathe in to the right. While doing so, whatever the unnecessary things in your life, breathe out to the left. Whatever you want to have in your life, bring it to the right. Health, wealth, change in the spouse, change in the family. Release all your negative thoughts to the left. I'm not good enough. Nothing is working. So much of hard work is required. Just release it one by one to the left. And bring all the best into your life. It may be wealth, money, richness, everything. Bring to the right for 30 seconds. Do it very slowly because our brain nerves crisscrosses right and left here only in this point. If you change here, you can create the change everywhere. Release all your negative thoughts which may be disturbing you since your childhood. We can say from many lives. Release it, all the negative thoughts. Bring all the positive thoughts. All your emotions. Somebody might have ditched you. Throw it onto the left. Bring all the lost energy to the right in that incidents where you were insulted. If you have any problem with the spouse, release your spouse now. Bring the best of your spouse to the right. If your children is not listening to you properly, release it to the left. Bring the best of your children to the right. Your profession. If anybody torturing you, ditching you, just release to the left. Bring the best of. Be open to the new energy. Now, come to the center. During expiration, you release all the negativity. Inspiration, take all the positivity. You can also continue this. And just with closed eyes, feel that free flow of energy in the form of smooth breath. Smooth breath indicates smooth life. During this, you became aware of what all the things you are unnecessarily holding. You left it to the left. You brought all the right thing into the right side. Now, as you are observing the breath, positive energy flowing into every cell, filling every cell of you. Every cell with full of health, wealth, richness, harmony, peace. From head to toe, the positivity, the joy, peace flowing, spreading everywhere into your surroundings, city, nation, whole globe is happy because of you, healthy because of you, wealthy because of you. With smiling face, with light heart, radiant energy, slowly, slowly open your eyes with smiling face. Wonderful. Claps, claps to everyone. Thank you, Roli. Thank you, Hemaji and Asha, yes, you can conclude and you can express your thoughts.
So this session was very nice. It's very enlightening to remove whatever negativity we have developed during the course of life, and it empowers you to go for the positivity.
Yes.
And that is the beauty. If we live more with the positivity and work, implement it, it will enlighten your life as a whole. I
Wonderful,
believe so.
wonderful, wonderful. Hemaji,
So that way,
you are due
like,
of your balloon technique. Okay,
I want
it's
to
all
say
up to
one
you.
more
Whenever
thing.
you want, you can share. Yes, yes, Asha.
I want to say that, with this, I want to empower, like, I'm in the process of empowering kids and the parents to go ahead and live their
So
dreams.
be it. Amen. So be it. Amen.
Thank
So be it.
Thank you.
Okay, all will happen. And this is called shamanic breath work. There is Qigong breathing. Very, very wonderful techniques are there. See, when you are doing so, you will understand what are all the things you are accumulated. So you are releasing it very consciously. And whatever you want to bring, you are bringing it. For example, some problem with the husband, you kept it inside. You will quarrel, you will fight. Now you release all the so-called negative husband to the left. Bring all the best thing. This is here called pyramidal tracks from the brain. It will crisscross. So if you do this technique, if you create change here, you can create change outside. Drushti badalne se duniya badal jayegi. There is a saying. So you are creating the change. Like this short techniques, short methods we are going to share weekly at least twice, because Hema is there and Nadeem, Asha, Hasrat and Sudha and Vasudha. Many people of very, this is called birds of same feather, we say. It's all we are all soul being, soul family. Let us share this because we have seen the life. See, already crossed 30 and remaining 30 years we had to give, as Hema said. So when you are giving, you will become an abundant source. You will become resource and you will connect to the source. Resourceful, becoming resourceful is connecting to the source. Okay, Hemaji, final words.
Very good experience. It was very good experience. आपके जो negative thoughts हैं release होते हैं और positive आप अपने अंदर immerse करते रहते हैं. तो it's really amazing therapy जो आपने करवाई और wonderful.
I'll tell you one of my thing. Since I'm a surgeon, because there is a chance of a pricking, so HBsAg, HIV, chances also will be there for the surgeons if they are not thing. But I am a very, very good surgeon, very, very liberal surgeon, doing all the emergencies. I thought, okay, I might have pricked and maybe it may be there in the body.
Yeah.
But I had to do. But what happened? That thought, yes, I am having. When I released it, I became free. Yes, nothing will bother me. Nothing will happen to me. And when I checked, I am already and no HIV, no HBsAg, no HCV, and I'm absolutely right. See, that is nothing but holding the fear, holding that negativity. It will bother your life. So these are the very wonderful techniques to release all your fears. Okay. The simple technique, suicidal tendencies, depression, insomnia, negative thoughts, anxiety, all will happen. We'll give this sort of the healing to everyone. Okay, wonderful, Nadeem.
Thank you.
Great. Roli Tripathi ji, bye. Claps to Roli Tripathi ji and Indy Royal. Okay, wonderful. And Hema ji for all the activities from the November 1st will flourish in a very, very greater way. Big claps to her. And Asha, with your support, will grow together.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Nadeem, conclusion.
Yeah, it was a very good, as you rightly said, it is called mastermind. All the people with same mindset are coming together and sharing their happiness and sharing their point of view. So everybody is learning, everybody is sharing, everybody is growing. So
yes,
yeah, we should.
Thank you, Asha Bharti. Thank you, Hemalata. Thank you, Vasundhara. Okay, we'll meet on next tomorrow. Asha, yours is pending.
Yeah.
You have to
Tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Send your good
Okay,
picture.
thank you,
So
thank
we'll
you.
be
7 to 8,
Roli ji.
7 to 9
Thank
रखते
you.
हैं.
Yeah.
Best
Final
way.
words
Just
from
take a
Roli.
leave now. Yeah, I'll just take a leave now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thanks for really having me on the
I have
show.
to
I'm
leave.
happy
Yeah.
to have everyone.
I'll do session for your mole.
Yeah. Congratulations.
January.
Definitely.
Thank you.
हाँ,
Thank you.
बिल्कुल पता है. Please
So
continue.
sorry, I'm taking a leave now.
Yes, this is for you.
Enjoy everyone.
When you come Hyderabad,
Thank
I'll
you
give it
so
to you.
much.
Right, okay.
Thank you.
Right. Wonderful.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much.
Bye bye
Thank
to
you,
everyone.
doctor. Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Bye everyone.
Right.
Thank you.